Hey, here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Now, this dumpster right here might look a little familiar to you, and there's a funny story about that. Let me tell you why. So y'all may remember, about a month and a half ago, we made a video. I said, guys, Brandon went on vacation, so I had the guys build me a dumpster. So I finally got my own TMG pit. I was pretty excited, gonna take it to the house, cook on a little bit. I kid you not, he comes back to the shop for 2 days, sold it. He sold my dumpster. So I'm no longer the owner of a TMG pit, sadly. This did go to a good home though. My man Joe in California, Joe actually already had a Fridge 48 trailer package on order, but he said, hey guys, I love that dumpster. I need something quick, and lost and sold to him, just like that. No questions asked. Hey, it is what it is, Joe. You owe me some barbecue, buddy, next time in California. But he did have us trick it out, so we set it up on the off-road package for him. Got some badass chrome wheels and tires on this thing. Went ahead and put a side shelf on it right here. Pretty slick, but let's check the dumpster out. So guys, this is one of our direct heat cookers. We got a couple sizes above and below this as well. So we got 36 inches wide, 24 inches deep, all 3/16 plates still, even the lid. The bottom's actually 1/4 inch and the bottom's insulated. So you got 1 inch insulation on the bottom there. Open this puppy up. You got a bottom rack in here that's not actually in there, but it will be. Bottom rack slides out. So you got 2 different levels to cook on. You can put charcoal on your bottom rack if you want to, get heat a little closer. This works great for chicken and ribs. Does ribs quick. What we had, I think we cooked 9 racks of ribs on this. You could probably fit 11 or 12 on there if you wanted to. Cooks them about 3.5 hours, and hey, they are some good ribs, let me tell you that. But works great, super easy to use, kind of low maintenance. So we love these dumpsters. Next size up is called the roll off, a little bit bigger, great for whole hogs. But we're about to roll this puppy in the shop, crate it up, and ship it out to California for Joe. So guys, that's this TMG dumpster. So if y'all need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.